Welcome once again, guys. Today we are in a GLS by Mercedes. As you can see, this steering is quite different than the earlier, and major of the older vehicles of Mercedes-Benz do have this type of steering. So getting an access to workshop setting in this type of vehicle is bit different than the earlier videos as shown. To get to workshop setting of this type of vehicles, you have to first of all switch off the vehicle, remove the key. If possible, just open and close the door, not compulsory. Sorry. Then insert the key over here, currently inserted. Then turn the ignition once. That's okay. Now as you can see, the kilometer reading is been displayed on the cluster. Now click the combination of call receive and OK, same as that of the earlier. Here we go. We are into the workshop mode of an GLS, and this is how it's done. This goes quite similar to all the vehicles of this type of steering combination switches. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.